In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely public. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Facebook application. Now make sure to sign into your account. So now what you want to do is tap on your menu icon or profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now from here, we want to scroll down and just right here in the audience and visibility, we want to go through our posts, stories, and profile and tagging. So first, let's go to posts. Now make sure that who can see your future posts is set to public. So if in any case you can't set this to public, what you want to do is to unlock your profile first. So in my case, my account is locked. So just go here to profile locking and unlock your account. So just tap on unlock your profile. Now go back to your settings, go to posts and set this to public. So in my case, I can't set it to public right now, so I may need to wait for a few minutes. So just set this to public, go back, go to your stories, story privacy, also change this to public. Now go back again, go to profile and tagging, and make sure that all of this is set to public. So if there is no public option, just select everyone and you'll see just explore for all of the settings and make sure to set it to public. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.